तुम ले ले।
Assalamualaikum everyone who's watching this video. Today I'm going to show you how exactly you can use Spotify in Pakistan, as the Spotify app is banned in Pakistan, or it is unavailable right now. So today I'm going to show you how can you use it. So this need you must have a VPN with you, which you can install and use to change your location. So simply type VPN or search on App Store or Google Play. There might be several options, but you have to select only Super VPN free VPN client. The third one, I have also installed it. After installing that, you must open the app. You must go to continue. Then I have already connected, but when you will open the app first time, tap on connect. It will take 5 to 6 seconds. Then it will get connected. And remember, whenever you use Spotify, first you have to on this VPN, and then you will use whenever you want. And when you close the Spotify app, make sure that you have disconnected it, because it will take a lot of battery, as it use location services from the mobile app. Okay, now close all tabs. Now go to your mobile browser, it can be anyone, Safari or Chrome, or it's on Samsung browser, etc. Now go here and you have to search download Spotify APK. You have to first check it. First check the links. If the first two sites are uptodown.com or apkpure.com, as you can see, then you can select any one of them. I will choose the first link. Then you have to click on latest version, download. Okay, click on the download option. It's installing. Now as the file has been installed, you can click over the notification download complete. Click on it. Then it might ask for unknown applications. Then click on settings, and there will if you scroll down and search for an option unknown sources, it will be off. You have to turn it on. I have already turned it on, so I don't need to go there. Then let's install it. Just wait for a second. Yeah, as you can see, it is installed. Click open. Wait till it create cache memory. Now you must not continue with Facebook. I prefer sign up free. You can use anyone. I would like this account. Password. Let's say I create 1 2 3. Yeah, sorry. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay. Okay, this possibility. So let's go with hello part. Yes. Now date of birth set anyone. Don't use any correct birthday dates, because you must not share this one. You must. I will like to choose female, as I don't want to show something. Yes, create. This is actually not my account, it's my friend. Okay, it's for your ease if you want to save or not password. Now we have successfully created. Now choose the artist you like. I would like to choose Alan Walker. Okay. If you are getting bored, you can skip for a time. Okay. You have to choose three. Then I would like to choose Ed Sheeran and Sia the Greatest. Okay, done. It will find some music for you. Okay, now it's here. Let's go with your daily mix. Let's play Lost Control, Alan Walker. As I have disconnected my mic, so I will disconnect so you can hear it. Mirrors in never lie. Don't see myself inside. Why can I get it right? So you can see you are able to use Spotify now. So if you like the video, please share it, like it, comment, and subscribe if you have not subscribed. And